So, important things to note in the play are the character sketch and the title of the play. Title of the play we shortly discussed at the beginning of this session. Arms, dealing with weapon, and man, human beings, and human being and weapons equation that can be related to war. So that is the title of the play, and it is taken from a line from Virgil's Aeneid where war is glorified. However, in the play, it is the opposite. War is being criticized for taking uh, innocent lives and also exploiting the resources of a country. So the title and also the theme of the play is futility of war. War being a complete waste of human resources, be it economic or human lives, the lives of the individual. So here the characters discussion is important. The first character to be discussed is of course Captain Bluntschli, the man who barged into Raina's room one fine evening. We come to know through his interaction with Raina that his perception of war is rather a very practical one. He does not keep a gun because he believes that in place of the gun it needs to be filled by chocolate. His pocket is filled with chocolate because when a person is hungry, the gun cannot feed the person, the gun cannot keep the person alive. It is the chocolate that will keep him alive. So, a very practical approach to war. And his occupation, we already know he is a Swiss mercenary. A soldier, a mercenary is a soldier who does not fight for the love of the country, who does not believe in patriotism. He goes and fights wherever or whichever country pays him better. But there is no doubt that Bluntschli is an expert in military strategies. He is a very, very strategic military man, an expert in warfare. That is the reason why the Serbian government has hired him to fight against the Bulgarians. Now, on the other hand, we have the Petkov family. Raina is in love with young Sergei, and she has been admiring Sergei's portrait, a painting, and in the painting, Sergei is standing with his full uniform and medal, just glorifying war, glorifying or romanticizing his bravery. He is almost like the knights of the medieval times who used to fight battles. Now, this Sergei, Raina, and Bluntschli, Raina and Sergei on one hand, and Bluntschli on the other, are poles apart from each other. Sergei is fighting for his own country, Bulgaria. He is a very patriotic young man. He wants to serve his nation. He wants to die for his nation. Bluntschli, on the other hand, has no loyalty to any nation. He is fighting the war because he is supposed to fight, because he is getting money to fight. Now, not only these characters' opinions are different when it comes to war, it is the same when it comes to true love. Raina has a very, again,